Getting ready to make some keto chow ice cream in my blender here. Let's take that. I am going to be using the keto natural strawberry as far as making my ice cream. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and all of the ingredients that I'm using are going to be keto friendly. I will be using some heavy whipping cream along with my keto chow natural strawberry keto chow mix. To this, I am going to be adding some ice cubes. After adding my heavy whipping cream, I'm going to add in a few ice cubes to this. This is going to help it thicken up as I am mixing it to give it more of an icy flavor or an icy consistency, is what I should say. After I add in my ice cubes, I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of bottled water to this, and then I'm going to mix it in my blender. I'm going to mix it to a consistency that I feel is going to be good for ice cream. I have been craving ice cream for the past few days, and I had mentioned that I wanted to make some keto chow ice cream. So I decided to go ahead and make it tonight so that I could have some. Sometimes when you have a craving, you have to go ahead and satisfy it. And I want to be prepared and I want to be ready before I get hangry for ice cream. Once I start getting hangry for ice cream, all bets are off because I'm going to eat what is available. Now, Kenny wanted ice cream, so I did go to the store and buy some. So I want to make sure that I have ice cream that is available for me also. I am going to add some frozen strawberries to this ice cream also. This is not only going to add to the flavor, but also to the consistency to make it more creamier and more tasteful to me. Depending on how sweet you want your ice cream to be, you can add in a sweetener to your ice cream also. I'm going to be using some Swerve confectioners, and I'm only going to be putting about a quarter of a cup. Adding it into the mixture and mixing it up together also. This ice cream is going to be so good. I can't wait to taste it. I am going to let the ingredients continue to blend together in the blender. I'm going to go ahead and taste it to see how it tastes. And I tell you, it tastes so good, so creamy. I can't wait until it's frozen and I actually get to have a bowl of keto strawberry ice cream. Normally, I would have added a little bit of vanilla flavoring to this, but I forgot because it tasted so good. I forgot about adding anything else to it. I would either use the vanilla flavoring or a strawberry flavoring that I have also in the cabinet. But let's go ahead so I can get this ice cream. Okay, I have mixed up everything and it's right on point. This tastes delicious. It's creamy. I've got it exactly the amount that I want it to be. Let me show you the consistency now that I have mixed it up. Consistency of the ice cream. It's delicious. It tastes just like strawberry ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and let this freeze for a little bit, and then I'll show you what I have. Keto strawberry ice cream.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day.
So I found a container that I'm going to use to freeze the ice cream in. I'm going to use this container, and I'm using one with a top so that I can put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to get ready to go ahead and pour the ice cream into the container. Look how creamy this is, you all. It looks so creamy and even smells like strawberries. I can't wait for it to freeze. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I'm getting all of the ice cream out of here. And of course, I got to taste it. But I'm going to get ready to go ahead and freeze this so that I can go ahead and have some delicious ice cream. So here is the ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the freezer. And I'll show you the finished product in just a little bit. This ice cream is so delicious. It is so good. As you can see how it came out, it is creamy. I mean, it's everything that you would want in an ice cream. You really cannot tell that it is not regular ice cream. I'm really going to enjoy eating this, and I'm glad that I made it and I have it in the refrigerator. I know that Kenny is going to share this with me because he likes the keto ice cream usually when I make it. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get ready to take this in the front, and we're getting ready to enjoy us a bowl of ice cream for the evening.
Oh, you caught me off guard and you do